Hi all and welcome to our Midday Market Pulse recap. We are obviously up sharply thanks to, again, thanks to President Trump and his delay of the 50% tariff on EU imports into the US and moving the issue 1 month further was definitely a point of relief for the market. As you can see, the SPY is up 1.76%, and other than the first 5-6 minutes when we saw a mini pullback, this is the morning pullback. Basically, since then, after less than 10 minutes of trading, the uptrend is I don't think it can get clearer than that. Higher lows and higher highs. We are at the highs of the day right now at 590, 589. Highs of the day were actually 589, above 589.50. So strong movement, clear uptrend. No other issues on the agenda other than the positive move. If we want to go and browse to the leading stocks, let me post some of them. United and Tesla up more than 5%, Robinhood bucking the trend, AMD and the rest of the semiconductor sector are also very strong. Apple reversing the 3% leg down from Friday, although the threat for Apple is still on the table. Overall, the Nasdaq is up more than 2%. The Q's 1.76. The only red sector that I have on my watch list, actually I don't have other than China, and then that's thanks to PDD, the parent company of Timo that reported terrible earnings, and we talked about it already in the pre-market. So all the Nasdaq leaders are doing very well. We're basically closing in at the 600, 2% away from the 600 level, which is another 1 or 2% from all-time highs for the S&P. Basically reversed that April 1st scare from nearly 2 months ago. Other than that, if you want to see the big movers today, and there is definitely an array of double-digit movers, starting with the company that we talked about in the pre-market, SBET. SBET is killing it on some super positive news. If you remember, in the pre-market it was up, I think 300%. Now it's up 400%. We're going to discuss the chart and the price action in another video, as much as we're going to discuss PDD in another video, looking at intraday support and resistance levels and how, as a short-term trader, you could have traded both of those mega movers. So again, we don't see very often 100 plus mover. Today it's 500 at this point. SBET. Again, 99.9% of investors never heard about Sharplink Gaming. Neither did I. I think I saw the symbol a couple of weeks ago, maybe. Anyway, up 512%, and at one point traded over 50. Keep in mind, and I think I said it before, the stock that's up 100% can move intraday 10 or 20% up or down, no problem, and this is the case here for this stock. Those who miss the move in the early morning should sit it out, I think, at this point, and unless the market or the chart will deliver a perfect entry like long 40 or long 45, any round number that's with reasonable risk. I think this one must be at this point seated out. Okay, that's it for this short roundup. I will come back later for the chart of SBET at the, near the close of the trading day, and of course PDD near the close of the trading day, and analyze both stocks. And again, if anybody has any question or you have any remarks, please drop them in the either to our email or our option below, and I will link, of course, both SBET and PDD videos to the video that's going to be uploaded late in the day. Thanks a lot for being here with us, guys. I hope it was you know, how many minutes? 6 minutes, 6 minutes at this point. It was illuminating. See you guys in our next video into the close.